Welcome guys. If you're looking for a site that you can earn money to perform tasks, this is another one. This is a site that will pay you to perform simple tasks that doesn't take you up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. All right, and their payment is very fast and easy. Okay, you can see that all you need to do is to create an account, link your social media, perform a task, and then you can withdraw. And the beautiful thing about this is you don't need to invest anything. You can even withdraw once you have 500 naira from your wallet. And the beautiful thing is that you can earn money from this site daily. You can see it has over 100 daily tasks every day. Instant withdrawal, no investment or sign up free is required. If you want to sign up on this site and you want to learn more about how you can make money from this site, just go to the link that you see below or anywhere in this video, and once you click on it, I'm going to see you inside. Click on it right now and I'll see you inside.